I'm here with another video now. Today I actually have something so special. What is it? Pokemon Go joystick. This thing is really awesome. Because I have a joystick. And I'm going to be giving this discount away so, and it's actually pretty good. Like, no lie. It is actually awesome. Alright, so I'm just gonna go into a PvP battle. This Pixelmon game is pretty awesome and all that. So obviously I'm gonna win. And my things need to be upgraded. Unicorn sucks, so obviously I'm gonna win. And so this is the account. Yes. All of these things have to be upgraded. No, not with that. Okay guys, so we're just gonna go in Pokemon, well, Pixelmon, and we're just gonna catch him. So this giveaway will be given once I hit 50 subscribers. Then I'm gonna do another one at 100. Celebrate. And I could do more videos like this. And then my next video is on how to do this. It's actually pretty easy. And it's taking me a while. Oh, unicorn. This goes from unicorn. That's an epic. This could actually help you get better at Pokemon Go. 1, 2, 3. Caught it, yes, first try. I want to just catch this quickly while I have it. So we're doing really good right now. Caught on the first try. Wow. You know what, we're just gonna run. We don't need to waste our time with that. Okay, so we'll just keep doing this to find another Pokemon. Oh, I need this one. Okay, I'm just gonna watch an ad, do the glitch for that. You press the we'll be showing you how to do the thing, the joystick and stuff like that. So if you guys want to learn how to do that, and you don't have to go anywhere. So it's pretty awesome. And we're just gonna catch this one, and don't be like, oh, it's too easy. These ones are hard to catch. I'm telling you. We're just gonna take at least like 5 Pokeballs. And yeah, we're just gonna catch it real fast. Yeah, I wasn't expecting to catch it.
Keep your mind engaged.
Okay, I think these ones, yeah, these.
Keep your mind engaged for hours with WordTrack.
So we're just gonna be
Tease your brain with more than 600 puzzles and 3,000 words.
Make it get faster.
Improve your attention and solving
I'm a boss like that.
the hidden words. Running out of coins? Why don't you try your luck and spin the wheel? All puzzles are solvable, but will you
Just
do it
about the audio, just that.
solve them all?
The audio is on there is terrible, so just don't be hating everything that I made.
Word champ.
If you know who you are, don't be hating on me now. Ooh, we saw that? Excellent. Yeah, I done that like 3 million times now in Pokemon Go once I got this. Ooh, I hit it, but it didn't give me anything. This game's rigged. How? These are like my favorite Pokemon, besides the grass blue. You guys should download this game. It's actually fairly fun.
Keep your mind engaged for hours with WordTrack. Tease your brain with more than 600 puzzles and 3,000 words.
So let's do this real fast.
Improve your attention and solving abilities by finding the hidden words. Running out of coins? Why don't you try your luck and spin the wheel? All puzzles are solvable, but will you full
let's just do this
thing.
first one.
Download Word Track today and find out if you have what it takes to become a word champ.
You guys ready? The clutch catch? No. Clutch, the clutch. Come on. The clutch. Got it. Now let's just go find another one. Okay, just gonna go straight. So these 3 Pokemon are. What was it? These aren't the ones we're looking for. We're looking for rares. Epics mostly. Cause why don't you like epics? I've been doing this for like the last couple of days now. So that's why I'm so talented at this game. We're just gonna go super speed. Engage super speed. In 3, 2, 1, got a blast. Go. Now I'm just gonna turn it back down. It's right there. Let's go see what that one was. Oh yeah, let's battle this dude. Now next person we find one next to me, I'm gonna battle him. Bro, look at this dude. Let's beat him up. Oh, he might actually put up a fight, but I'm going up. What? How do you win? This game's rigged. But it's rigged because I'm a beast. And yeah. Well, there's Candela, but I don't care about those now. Piggly. I'll catch it just for fun. Bro, I didn't even touch it. Actually, how'd I catch it? Okay. Here's like my 18th one caught. Another one, but I don't care about them. I'll find another one. Okay, I was close. Just go this way. I wanna find a glacier. I need those crippy. I don't really use those, so. The only ones I care about are the ones I use in the battle. And the ones I like. So like unicorn. I don't like that guy because I have a lot of them. So we're just gonna turn this way. See what these are. Oh, unicorn noise. Who's found another unicorn? I think these are the ones that could be. Unicorn out in the video, really. So you guys can get bored out. I will be giving this account away when I hit 50 subscribers. And then I will be showing you how to do this joystick thing. It's actually superiorly easy. Once I catch the unicorn out in the video. Nice. Will it catch it? Actually, I think it might. Because nice is for unicorn. Never mind. Oh, wait. I have to get it right there. And I'm just gonna catch it like right now. There we go. We have so many unicorns. I just doesn't remind me. I have 4 of these guys. And then I have to upgrade my glacier. I have 3 of them. And then sad smoke, I have 4 5 of them right now. And I have a lot of, what is it, unicorn, I have 4 of them. Where should I go? Let's go that way. So I'll end the video here because it's getting pretty long. So that's for this video. Boss out.